All right, guys, so I'm in Lake Wales, which is outside of Orlando. It's probably about 20 minutes from Orlando, and we're gonna go see something that is in this garage right back here. And the story about this, I'm gonna let Andy tell you, and his son Thomas. So we're gonna go talk the story before we see what's back there. So before we tell everybody what, whoops. Oh. Hey guys, so this is Andy, this is his son Thomas, and before we tell him what kind of car is back there, Andy, tell me a little bit about the story of what you had before and how did you get the car. So welcome to another episode of Junkyards and Barn Finds with Sean, and I'm Sean.
Well, I had a Harley, and I decided I was going to do something with my son, and I decided to trade off the Harley to get the car I have now. Because your son obviously... he can't do nothing in the Harley.
Right, Thomas? So you can't ride a motorcycle.
And I can't ride because of my disability,
right.
So I can't get on a bike.
Right. So your dad went out and found this car, which is a convertible. And it was at what, a pawn shop? I think you were, or a bail bondsman, right?
Bail bondsman. It was sitting in an old lady's garage for over 30 years, and her son got in trouble, and she traded him the car for his bail. And
okay.
He put some money into it, and then he wanted a Harley, and we talked and basically did the swap.
And you've been working on cars your whole entire life since you were a kid.
Yeah, I've done quite a bit of work on them.
So, and then this garage is basically built with your car in mind.
Yep. So
that you guys have a clean workshop to work on it.
Yep.
But
just a matter of now getting everything set so I can work on it.
Yeah.
And life has happened, so it's been sitting in there.
Yeah, it's been sitting there for a while.
But we're gonna go take a quick look and see what it is.
Excuse our neighbors.
Can you get back there, buddy?
Our neighbors are...
So sometimes money and time get in the way, so
yep.
When you get a little bit more money, a little bit more time. Oops, sorry, Andy. So tell me about the car.
The 73 Mustang convertible.
73 Mustang convertible.
H code 351 Cleveland 2-barrel.
So H code 351 2-barrel.
Factory air.
Looks really straight.
Oh yeah, it's a survivor. Since it was sitting in the garage for 30 some years, it never rotted out.
So is this the original paint?
I'm not sure. I think, as far as I know, it is, but I haven't gotten down to it. Because I see through it and you don't see nothing but white.
Oh yeah.
So.
And that's that factory primer underneath. So it looks in really good shape.
Yeah, it's not a bad car. Good starter car to get.
Is that the
center console?
Center console.
Yeah, was outside for about a year before I bought this place and had the garage done. So it's got a little weather on it.
And you've had it for how long?
2 years.
2 years?
Yeah.
And hopefully you'll get it on the road.
Hopefully. Getting enough parts together and enough time and money.
So, and it's an air conditioned car, and did you say stick or automatic?
It's an automatic.
It's an automatic. And this would be great for Thomas to be in, because then it's a lot easier. It's once you put the roof down, Thomas could sit at least in the passenger seat.
Right.
And So it was this new steering column, or?
Yeah, I picked this up a guy from a trade. It's
License plate is on the floor.
a tilt steering column. It's gonna I'm gonna
You're
put
gonna
in.
have a license plate, a random license plate on the floor.
It's a
Okay.
tilt steering. I just got done putting a new turn signal assembly for a 73.
Now you've had this running before, right?
Yeah.
So it runs. It's just
I took
not at the very moment.
No, I took the ran it out of gas because I got to tear the tank out and probably put a new tank and a new sending unit and everything in it. So we ran it out of gas on purpose, and then it's been sitting since life. Had to get rid of my old house because son's medical bills and everything. It was getting financially rough to have the old house, and then we kind of downsized. And
So if anybody has any parts for this, and if they want to get in touch with Andy, and help him out, I will put Andy's contact information in the comments like I normally do. I don't know if maybe somebody's got some stuff that he may need. If you want to reach out to Andy and help these guys get on the road, I'm sure Thomas would appreciate the help over there as well. So, but
It'd be fun to ride in one.
it's all original pretty much except for the carburetor.
It'd be fun to ride in that thing.
yeah, I bet you're looking forward to it.
Oh yeah.
Joyride.
Yep, like I said, it's all Survivor. She doesn't have the rust for normally they do.
So there you go, people. Andy and Thomas, and I'll tell you what, it's a beautiful car. It needs to get on the road at some point. So if anybody has any words of encouragement, wisdom, anything you can do to help would be great. And like I said, I'll put their contact information in comments. It's not a Mach 1 because I don't think they made a Mach 1 convertible in 73, did they?
No, but pretty much it's everything that is a Mach 1 except it's a convertible. It's got the Cleveland, it's a 2-barrel instead of 4-barrel. Mach 1's had the 4-barrel, the Q code, I think. This is the H code.
So this is an H code car. So appreciate you guys watching. If you like this kind of thing, subscribe. Like I said, if you want to help anything on something like this, reach out and also put in comments what you think. And like I said, I can give you Andy's contact information. And if you're especially in the Orlando area, that would be awesome. So thank you guys. Have a great day. Keep watching. Subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. Thanks. April. Should they subscribe to this channel even if they don't like cars today for this one?
Probably just for this one.